glad you could join me again. Little update here. It is now Wednesday evening, and I'm pulling into one of my favorite towns in all of America, Norfolk, Nebraska. Just going by Tahazuka Park. I want to say hello to all my Nebraska Christian College family and all my friends that I have in Nebraska. Okay, we're getting ready to pull in
the traffic light
up here at the Loves, and from the report on Trucker Path, there usually is not any space left, but we're going to go in and we're going to give it a try. I thought you might want to watch us head into the truck stop. Try to make this left here and get by all these trucks. Now, I haven't ever been into this truck stop here, this Loves. There's a Cubby's just right down the street here that's supposed to have quite a few parking spots, and I have yet to stay there also. And so if Loves is totally full, we're going to try to go down to Cubby's. But the Trucker Path comments say that the local guys go in there bobtail it and screw it all up, so that's kind of difficult. But we'll see what happens. We're going to come in here to Loves and see if there's anything that we can do to find ourselves a spot
on the right
to pull in. And of course, truckers, I just got 3 in front of me here, and they just hurry as fast as they can to get in front of you. So it makes it a little bit more difficult. And so you can tell I'm tired. Look, there's a couple of spots over here. That noise you just heard was my ELD telling me that I don't have much space left, much time left. And so if I'm going to find myself a spot to park, I better do it rapidly. And I already see one. And of course I want to say hi to my super trucker Dave, Dan, and let him know that I'm going to follow his philosophy, and that is to find the easiest spot to get and get in it. So that's what we're doing. Well, we found us a spot. We got in it first shot, and we're going to spend the night here on our way to Huron, South Dakota tomorrow. We're about 3 hours 20 minutes away from our drop tomorrow. I have a 1-drop load here on a 53 footer. This is a huge cultivator. It's a 30-foot wide cultivator. Of course, it's broken down. I'll take you back there and let you look at it. Of course, it's broken down, and it's not 30 feet wide when it's on here. It's broken down into 3 segments, 4 segments, something like that, and a bunch of attachments on it. You can take a look at it here in just a second. But let me update you on what the past couple of days I've been doing. Last time I talked to you, I told you I was going to get myself a trainee, and if he said it was okay with him, I'd put him on video and you'd be able to meet him. Anyway, we got out there, and his name's Bill, and Bill had absolutely no problem with me taking video of him, but we were so busy. We were only together on 3 days, so this is Wednesday. I dropped him off this morning. He's heading to California on Monday, I just found out. But we were so busy on our 3 days that we didn't get any updates done for you. So good luck to you, Bill. Hope everything works out for you. So let's go outside and take a look at this load, and we will give you an update on this. All right, sun is about 8 degrees, 10 degrees up in the sky, so it's still pretty bright. And so I'll be squinting a little bit through this update, so forgive me a little bit. Anyway, here is the big monster right here. This is a super cultivator. It's 30 feet wide. You can see here where the connections happen, 4-bolt system. Good welding jobs on here by our company. And it's stacked up. You'll see it is stacked up and held together by U-bolts on there. So there's 2 pieces to it. Up here, there's one piece here, and then there's another piece that's up there. Take a look at it. And they're stacked together by U-bolts. And to keep these wheels here, these cultivator wheels, from digging into the deck, they put particle board down here, and so the particle board keeps it from digging in the deck. It also keeps the blades themselves from getting bent in and dulled. Take a look at the tie down on this thing. This is just one section. There's another section, excuse me, this is 2 sections, but this section here I've tied down by itself. Got a 4-point connection onto it. Each side has got this boom bang chain set up here, going around the 5,000 pound anchor right here, and 7,000 pound chains on here. And so at this point over here, then we have it here chained down, and you'll be able to see goes through the 3,000 point there, and the chain all the way across the deck over there. You see the boomer way over there. All right, and so there is that big dude right there. Now back here behind it is all the articulation points, pieces back here, and so all those get unjumbled, and you see how many bolts it takes to get this thing put together on this dude. And you can see up there, there's the main hitch up there that goes to the tractor, and back here in the back, there's where it connects on to the main piece of the cultivator. And I've got straps over the top of it to hold it down. Now here's the wheels for the rest, the discs for the rest of the equipment, and all it takes on those is just a couple of 4-inch straps to hold it down, and that's all it takes for that. These flailers here, not flailers, those are clod busters is basically what those are. They scrape along the ground and they bust up the clods as the wheels push the dirt together, and then these bust up the clods so it gets your cultivation going. These are the counterweights down here, and more articulation material up there to put everything together. They tell me it takes somewhere in the neighborhood of about 4 hours to get this put together when you got 2 mechanics working on it at the same time. And here's the outrigger side of it. See, it's got 2 hydraulic rams up here that lift and lower these arms, and what these are arms. And this is actually right here, the hinge, where it pins up into where we were a while ago. You'll be able to see it down there. It pins into there, and so that's what that does. And then back here, here's another one of the pins. I've got it chain on it right here, and how it's chained down. So, kind of against the sun there, you can't see it, but that's what it looks like. So that load is what I'm taking to Huron, South Dakota tomorrow. Get up there somewhere around 9:30, and once I got the item off, then they sign off on it, and I'm heading back here to Norfolk tomorrow, and I'm going over to pick up a load of steel and heading back towards the Salina area with that. It's not going to our plant directly, but it is going to go to our plant eventually, if you catch my drift. Okay, well, that's what everything looks like from here. Glad you came along. Say again hi to Bill. Sorry I didn't get you on the video, Bill. Hope this helps you with some of your tie down, buddy. Y'all have a great one. Maybe we can get another update from South Dakota tomorrow. All right, see you later.